Greetings, everybody. I'm Sugarville Shane, and I'd like to welcome you to Sugarville Shane's cooking channel. Today, we're going to be grilling up some chicken leg quarters and marinating them with sofrito and spices. So here's the sofrito, Sugarville Shane's homemade sofrito from scratch. I'll put this there. Maybe one more. Yeah. Alright. And we got some limes here that are sitting around. Use them up. Give them some tangy flavor. Vitamin C goes well with the sofrito and other spices we're going to be using in here. Here we got some oregano, probably about a teaspoon or a tablespoon is what you want to do. And we'll put some salt, same thing, about a tablespoon, or to your taste. Get a little bit of cracked pepper, what's left. Put some of this on there, hearty pepper flavor. Some parsley, a little green nature, give some color. There we go, same thing, probably tablespoon. And the adobo. Adobo works well, makes the flavor go a long way. Maybe a little more. Tablespoon, 2, depending on your flavor there. Let's add some more regular pepper because there wasn't much in the other one. Now we're gonna mix this up a little bit, and you know what I want to do, give me 1 second here. I want to stab this up so all the juices and seasonings and flavor get down into the meat. And these leg quarters are skinless. I pulled the skin off, but the skins are in the bowl here, and I'm gonna cook them up for my dog. And also there's a lot of chicken in here. I'm gonna use some of this to make some chicken and rice for my dog as well. Gotta show him a little love. Let's cover this sofrito before we mix so we get no splatter. Pull this over to the side and let's mix it up. Bring it on. Try to do this without making a mess. Mix her up. And we'll be doing this on the Farberware Indoor Smokeless Grill. Thing's been around for a long time. Yes. Now we're going to take this chicken, kind of line it up on here. My family's used this grill for over 30 years. It's great. Farberware Smokeless Indoor Grill. Let's put this here. Sizzle. Line this up. Try to get these organized a little bit. There's more chicken in this bowl. Like I said, we're gonna boil it up with some rice. I think we're pretty full here. Let me get a mitten. I'm gonna pull out this pan and take the skins and put them on the bottom, and they'll cook good. They'll get crispy, and my dog really enjoys them. And That way we're really not wasting anything. Putting raw chicken in the garbage. And slide this in here. And boom, we're gone. I'll move this bowl over, get ready for my rice. Be right back. And get this out of the way. Okay, so I put barbecue sauce on one side of this already. It's been cooking. This is the barbecue sauce. You really don't need it because of the seasonings, but I had it. We're going to use it. So I already put it on one side. Flip these over. This whole cooking process, takes about an hour on the Farberware grill. And now, get some barbecue sauce. Put a little love on these legs. Just kind of spread it out here a little bit. And then we'll take the baster, smooth it on out. Got everything good. Oop. And so I'll let this cook on the one side for a little bit longer, and I'll flip them again. Let this side cook, and we should be ready to roll. Get the napkins ready, because it's going to be finger licking good. And this is what we ended up with. Thank you for checking into Sugarville Shane's cooking channel. Come back. Thanks.